Welcome to the Cement Masons and Plasterers Training Center in Seattle, Washington, where innovation meets expertise. We're proud to train our apprentices and members using the industry-leading MAI Concrete 3D printing pumps. Why MAI Pumps? Because we're committed to equipping our workforce with the best tools in the trade, ensuring our contractors have skilled professionals who master the equipment they rely on. From cutting-edge technology to hands-on experience, our training programs set the standard for excellence. Ready to elevate your next project with our highly trained professionals? Contact us today at opsimia528.org to learn more about our training programs or to dispatch skilled workers to your job site. Connect now at opsimia528.org.